A lot to follow in the world of weather. We've got, first alert weather days upon us, and that means that your day could be impacted. And Mark is here to give us the very latest. Haven't seen much snow as of yet.
No, and luckily, we're just calling a first alert tomorrow morning for the commute, just in case there's a spot or two of snow and ice. I think for 90% of us, we're not going to be sledding. Okay. Even if you didn't want to go sledding, no. But if you're a kid, you want to go sledding. I think even Wednesday it's going to be tough to find enough snow to sled on in the metro area. Slightly better chance along the coastline tonight and tomorrow, as I mentioned in the last segment. Big message here in the I-5 corridor metro area. Very few school delays tomorrow morning. We didn't have many today. Most of them were up in the hills, and I think it'll be the same situation tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow afternoon mainly dry. Low to mid 40s for afternoon high temperatures. There will be spots of freezing tonight. A flurry, a shower, or shower might pass over your neighborhood in the next 2 hours, and then the road freezes. Or maybe it doesn't freeze. It's going to be a real mix of conditions because of the cloud cover coming and going. So in the Western Valleys and I-5 corridor tonight and tomorrow, just a few scattered school delays, spotty snow or ice during the morning commute. I mean like real spotty. A lot of us will just have bare roads. Rest of each day, once we get past the morning commute, then we're back up in the low 40s. You know what I don't expect this week? We're more confident about this now. No Arctic blast, which is good. No afternoons colder than 38, so every day we're well above freezing. A storm that shuts down the metro area, I don't see that. What we need for that, it always happens when we get a cold east wind blowing out of the gorge, and we do not see that over the next week. And we sure don't see freezing rain. That would be a lot of cold air coming in from the east and moisture overhead. It is a pretty complex weather pattern in that there's quite a snowstorm in progress across the southern part of the state. Relatively warm air down here, but then this Arctic air has moved out over the ocean. It picks up moisture over the, the 40, 45 degree water. Then it swings back onshore, but most of the showers are out in this area, not so much inland. Here inland, we're kind of between these two setups here. So the real cold Arctic air that would freeze us solid, like we had last January, that has made it down to like North Seattle, into eastern Washington, but we do not expect that to move into the metro area. It's not going to make it here. All right, so here's the cloud rain forecast and snow, and you can see all the snow across central and eastern Oregon tomorrow morning. Yeah, some flurries around here in northwest Oregon. Look at all the snow here, central Oregon, right in the driest parts of the state, so this is excellent for them, you folks. But then here in Portland, kind of dry in the afternoon. Wednesday looks a little wetter, doesn't it, or whiter in this case throughout the daytime. Wednesday, a lot more showers Wednesday. That's why I think we'll see more in the air. And then Thursday, it starts to dry out again. As for snow forecast, the totals, little or nothing tonight or tomorrow morning. But then by Wednesday afternoon, yeah, some spots maybe get an inch in the metro. But again, a lot of this will be in the air Wednesday. I have a feeling our lives will continue like normal on Wednesday. But tonight and tomorrow, this is where you have a better chance for seeing, 1, 2, 3 inches. It's along the coastline. All right, so Portland, tomorrow, just watch out early in the day. The rest of the day, our lives will continue unaffected by weather. Just a chance for a shower. A lot of us will just be dry. Then on Wednesday, we have a lot of snow showers in the air. Does it affect our driving around town much? I don't think so, because we still expect it to get up to around 40. After some morning flurries Thursday, then it looks pretty dry Friday through the weekend. Not all dry. I think there'll be some showers around Saturday or maybe Monday, but temperatures are just warm enough that we might see some snow in the air at times. But I just don't see any good chance for stickage here at the lowest elevations through this whole period. Pete?